Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take up our exercise 10.4. So before we start with the exercise, we will discuss this example too. It's a very important example from the examination point of view. Now it is given that if two intersecting chords of a circle makes equal angle with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, then prove that chords are of equal length. So we will make, suppose this is the circle and here it is the point. So there are now two chords intersecting within this circle. So we can take up, suppose this is one of the chord and this is another chord, and this is now the diameter passing through this. So this is a point on this diameter. So this will be now 90 degree, because from the center of the circle it is always perpendicular to this. So I have taken this diameter, this chord AB, and suppose this chord as CD. So AB and CD, these are the two chords, and this is suppose M, this is now N, and this we can take up as P, and this is E and F. Now we need to prove that chord AB is equals to, we need to prove that AB is equals to CD. So first of all, and this angle is equals to this angle, this is already given to us. So we can mark this side, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, this is equal already given to us. So we will consider these two triangles, in triangle OMP, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, OMP and ONP. Now angle M is equals to angle N, because a line from center of circle is perpendicular to chord, and this OP is equals to OP, this is common, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2, this is already given to us. Therefore triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP by angle side. So these are, now these two triangles are congruent, because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is the distance from center to this chord, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2, this is already given that these chords are inclined at equal angle with the diameter of the circle. So these two angles are equal and this side is common, so angle side, they are congruent. Therefore we can say OM is equals to ON. So this side is equals to this side. So when the distances from the centers are equal, then chords are equal. Now see that if this is a circle I have made, and this is the center of the circle, and this is a chord, and this is also one of the chords. Suppose this is now AB and this is a CD. This distance and this distance, this is from center of the circle. If these two distances are equal, then these chords are of equal length. This is the theorem. And if the chords are of equal length, then this perpendicular distance will be equal. So this is the vice versa. So from here we got this perpendicular distance is equal, so therefore chords will be equal. So therefore we can say AB is equals to CD. So this is proved, and this is by CPCT. Now coming to question number 1. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points at a distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. So now this is one of the circle and this is another circle. So this is the circle with center this, suppose O, and this is the circle with center O dash, and here it is the chord joined. So this is the common chord joined, and this will be the perpendicular to that. Suppose I have taken this A, this is now B, and if we join, so this will be now 5 centimeters, and if we join this, so this will be 3 centimeters. It is given to us. Suppose if we take this point as D, so this O dash D, it is already given to us. We need to find out the length of AB. So O dash is equals to 4 centimeter. This is given to us. Let O dash D is equals to x centimeter. So therefore OD is equals to, OD becomes 4 minus x centimeters. This distance we have taken. This distance I have taken, this is as x. So this distance will be 4 minus x, because complete is 4 centimeter. So now in triangle AO dash D, using the Pythagoras theorem, so this will be now AO dash will be AO dash square will be equals to AD square plus O dash D whole square. So AO dash this is 3, so this is 3 square is equals to AD square plus O dash D, this is now x square. So from here this is 9 is equals to AD square plus x square, or simply we can get 9 minus x square is equals to AD square. This is equation number 1. Now similarly coming to this Pythagoras theorem, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in this, in triangle AOD. Now in triangle AO and D. So here this AO square will be equals to AD square plus DO square. So AO, this is now 5 centimeters, so this is 5 square will be equals to same AD square plus O dash D. So this is now 4 minus x whole square. So this is now 25 is equals to AD square plus 16 plus x square minus 8x. So we can find from here AD square will be equals to, this will be 25 minus 16 minus x square plus 8x, or we can get AD square will be equals to 9 minus x square plus 8x. So this is now equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, 1 और 2 से क्या देखो, यहाँ से AD square, यहाँ से AD square दोनों बराबर है. So we can equalize this other two sides also. So from 1 and 2 we got this 9 minus x square plus 8x will be equals to 9 minus, so this is 9 minus x square will be equals to, this is 9 minus x square plus 8x. So from here we got this 9 cancelled, x square cancelled. So this is now x 8x is equals to 0 or x equals to 0. We got x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 means this point is same as this point. Means this chord is passing through the center of the smaller circle. बिकॉज अभी मैंने ये डिस्टेंस को x लिया हुआ है, अगर ये डिस्टेंस 0 है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, ये o डैश पॉइंट खिसक के कहाँ पे आ गया, d पे. अभी o डैश अगर d पे आ गया और d से ही ये पॉइंट निकलेगा तो बताओ o डैश अगर d की जगह पे आ जाएगा. सो o डैश अभी क्या होगा, सेंटर ऑफ द स्मॉलर सर्किल. मीन्स दिस AB इज पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द स्मॉलर सर्किल. अभी सेंटर ऑफ द स्मॉलर सर्किल से अगर ये पास करेगा सो AB विल बी द कॉर्ड, AB विल बी द डायमीटर फॉर दिस स्मॉलर सर्किल. सो स्मॉलर सर्किल का रेडियस अभी हमें ऑलरेडी पता 3 सेंटीमीटर, डायमीटर कितना हो जाएगा 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो AB की लेंथ कितनी आ गई 6 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स दिस shows that AB passes through center of smaller circle. Center of a smaller circle. Now we will put this x equals to 0 in any of this. We can find, now putting x equals to 0 in equation number suppose 1. So this will be AD square will be equals to 9 minus x square. So AD square will be equals to 9 minus 0. So AD will be equals to, AD square will be 9. So we got AD as 3 centimeter. So now AB will be twice of this. So AB will be equals to twice of AD. Therefore AB is equals to 2 into 3 and we got AB is equals to 6 centimeter. So we got this length of the chord, this is 6 centimeters. So coming to question number 2, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, then prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the corresponding segments of another chord. So this is the one of the circle now, and there are the two equal chords. It is given that two equal chords are intersecting within a circle. So suppose this is the center of the circle and it is perpendicular, it is also perpendicular. This is point M, this is N. Suppose this is now P point, this is AB and this is CD. And this side is joint. Now it is given that chords are of equal length, so we can write AB is equals to CD. This is given to us, and this is the perpendicular distance OM. So we can write half of AB will also be equals to half of CD. So half of AB is AN. So we can write AN is equals to CM. This is equation number 1, because these are perpendiculars. ON and OM are the perpendiculars. So perpendiculars from the center divides chords into two equal halves. Now coming to triangles ONP and triangle OMP. Now these two triangles. So for here this OM is equals to ON. These are the means because AB is equals to the CD. So when the chords are equal, so the perpendicular distance from the centers will also be equal. This is one of the theorem. And angle M is equals to angle N equals to 90 degree, and OP will be equals to OP. This is common. Therefore triangle ONP is congruent to triangle OMP by, this will be by RHS, right hypotenuse side, right hypotenuse and this side. Therefore we can write NP will be equals to MP. This is equation number 2 by CPCT. So now adding equation 1 and 2, we get an plus np will be equals to cm plus mp. So an plus np will be equals to ap. So this is ap is equals to cp. This is proved. So this segment is equal. So therefore we can say this pb is also equals to pd. So this is, now both are proved that these segments are also equal. This is equals to this and this complete is equals to this one. Now this is proved. Now coming to question number 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, then prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the centers makes equal angle with the chord. This is almost similar one with the previous question. So this is one of the circle. Now we will draw the two chords. So this is chord A, B, C and D. This is the point of intersection P. Suppose this is the center of the circle. So this will be perpendicular to these circles and this side is joint. Now see that we need to prove that this angle 1 is equals to angle 2. This is only we need to prove. Now see, in triangles it is given that AB is equals to CD. So it is given to us. Therefore we can say this point we can take up as M and N. So we can say that OM is equals to ON because chords are equal length. So once the chords are equal length, so the perpendicular distances are equal, therefore chords will be equal. Now in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, this OM is equals to ON because AB is equals to CD. This is given that equal chords. So the perpendicular distance from the center will be equal and angle M is equals to angle N equals to 90 degree. These are perpendicular from the center to this chord. And OP will be equals to OP. This is common to both of the triangles. Therefore, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP by RHS congruency. Therefore, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. This is CPCT. So, we have proved this. So, this is now proved that two equal chords are inclined at equal angle to this diameter. Now coming to question number 4. These two circles are given to us. This is circle 1 and this is circle 2, and this is the center for these two, and this is one of the chord. This point is A and this is B, this is C and this is now D. So these points are given. Now we need to prove that AB is equals to CD. So first of all we will draw a perpendicular. So perpendicular is always, this will be the perpendicular bisector because this is from the center. So we can take this point as P. So draw OP perpendicular to AD. Now for this BP will be equals to PC. BP is equals to PC because line from center of circle is perpendicular bisector of chord. Because a line from the center of the circle is perpendicular bisector of the chord. So this side will be equals to this side. We can take it as equation number 1. Similarly, AP will be equals to PD. This is the equation number 2. Same region. Therefore, on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, so AP minus BP, this AP minus BP will be equals to PD minus PC. So AP minus BP, AP minus BP will be AB, and this will be equals to now PD minus this PC will be CD. So this is now proved. Now coming to question number 5th. This is one of the typical and important question. So we need to be little more attentive for this. Now 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and the Mandeep are playing a game by standing on the circle of the radius 5 cm drawn in the park. Reshma throws a ball to the Salma and Salma to the Mandeep and Mandeep to the Reshma. If the distance between the Reshma and the Salma and the Mandeep is 6 meters each, what is the distance between the Reshma and the Mandeep? So first of all, we will draw a circle for this. So these are the 3 girls playing. This is given that first one is suppose Reshma will take R, then Salma S, then for the Mandeep we will take up as M. And suppose this is the center of the circle. So now this is throwing ball to this and this is throwing ball to this, and this is joined, this is also joined, and this is joined. Now first of all, we will draw a perpendicular to this side. So we will draw a perpendicular to this chord, which will be a perpendicular bisector to this, and again we need to find out this distance. So this will be again a perpendicular to this. And this side is given as 6. This radius is given. Radius, complete radius is, so this is 5 centimeter. Radius is given to us 5 centimeter, and the distance between them is 6 centimeters each. So this is 6 centimeter, and this is also a 6 centimeter distance between them. You can take this point as, suppose this point can be taken as P. Now see that first of all we will find this distance. Suppose now this is P, so we can take this point as Q. Now in triangle ORQ, we have taken this triangle ORQ. So first of all we can say that draw a perpendicular, draw OQ perpendicular to RS, draw OQ perpendicular to RS. And now in triangle ORQ, in this triangle, this is the hypotenuse and this is the perpendicular and base. So we can say OR square will be equals to OQ square plus RQ square. So OR square, this is 5 centimeter already given, this is the radius. So the 5 centimeter means 5 square equals to OQ square plus RQ because this is the perpendicular bisector. So RQ is equals to 3 because RQ is equals to RS by 2. So this is 6 by 2. So we can say this is 3 centimeter. Now here this is 25 minus 9 will be equals to OQ square, or this is 16 is equals to OQ square. So we got OQ is equals to 4 centimeter. So we got OQ as 4 centimeter. So this is now OQ, which is 4 centimeter. We can take it as equation number 1. Now see that this RM and OS, they are perpendicular to each other. So we can say RS is perpendicular to OM. This RM, this side RM is perpendicular to OS. Now see that coming to this triangle, this complete triangle ORS, we can find the area of this triangle. Now in triangle ORS, we can find the area of this triangle by 2 ways. Now see that this is the base and this is the perpendicular, and again this is OS is the base and this PR is the perpendicular. तो अभी ये सिंगल एक ही तो ट्रायंगल हुआ, कौन सा, ORS. इस ORS ट्रायंगल के अभी हम एरिया दो तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं. एक क्या, ये वाला बेस लिया RS और ये OQ परपेंडिकुलर. सो दिस इज हाफ बेस इनटू परपेंडिकुलर. And second, we can take up OS as the base and this RP as the perpendicular. So दोनों ही एरिया क्या होंगी, सेम होंगी, because they are the areas of same triangle. So we can write area of triangle ORS. This is equals to half of base into altitude. Now area of triangle ORS, this will be equals to half, taking this base and this altitude. So this will be half of RS into OQ. This is now second, and again area of triangle ORS, this can be equals to now this base OS into this altitude PR. This is at third one. Now from second and third we got these are the areas of the same triangle. So this right hand side will be equal. So from second and third RHS will be equal because they are the areas of the same triangle. So we can write half of RS into OQ will be equals to half of OS into PR. So half of cancelled, RS, now see that RS is already given, this is 6 into OQ. OQ we have already find out from 1, this is OQ is 4. So this is equals to now OS. Now see that OS is the radius. So this is now 5 into PR. So we got PR is equals to 24 by 5. So this is 5 4 ja and 5 8 ja. So this is 4.8 centimeter. Now this we got RP. So therefore RM will be double of RP. So RM is equals to twice of PR. So this is equals to 2 into 4.8. So this is 9.6 meters. So this is now 9.6 meters. So these dimensions they are given into meters. We will write meters only because they are into meters. So we got the distance between this Reshma and Mandeep. This is as 9.6 meters. So therefore the distance between this Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meters. So this is our answer. So now coming to question number 6. A circular park of the radius 20 meter. So we'll make a circular park. So this is a circular park of radius 20. Circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in the colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distance in the boundary. Suppose here it is Ankur, then Syed and David, S and D. So this will be equal. And this side is already given to us. Now this is 20 meters. This radius is given, so this is point O now. We'll join this. Suppose this is now E point. A circular park of the radius 20 meters is situated in the colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distances on its boundaries, and each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So we need to find out, means this length AS or SD or AD. The same thing, because now this is an equilateral triangle. So in triangle ASD, so this OA by OE will be equals to 2 by 1, because this is an equilateral triangle. So these sides are in the ratio 2:1, because in equilateral triangle ध्यान रखिएगा ये जो circumcenter है ये क्या होगा 2:1 के केस में होगा. So now OA is already given 20 divided by OE will be equals to 2 by 1. On cross multiplication we got OE as 10 meters. So we got OE as 10 meter and this will be perpendicular. So in triangle AES, using Pythagoras theorem, AS square will be equals to AE square plus SE square. So AS square, because these all sides are equal, so AS square we can write this is as same as AE, or AS square will be equals to AE. AE we got. So from here we can got AE will be equals to OA plus OE. So AE is equals to OA. OA we got 20 plus 10. So this is now 30 meters. So AE we got 30 meters. So this will be 30 square plus SE. SE can be written as half of AS, because AS is equals to SD is equals to AD. So all three are equal. So half of that will also be equal. So this is now AS square will be equals to, this is now 900 plus AS square by 4. We can take up this side. So AS square minus AS square by 4 is equals to 900. This is y1. So we can take a LCM as 4. So this will be 4 times AS square minus AS square will be equals to 900, or this will be 3 times AS square by 4 is equals to 900. Now we can cross multiply. So 3 times AS square will be equals to 3600. So AS square will be equals to 3600 divided by 3. So AS square will be equals to 1200 meters, or simply AS can be written as, we can write AS as 20√3 meters. So the length of a string is, the length of a string is 20√3 meters. So we got the length of the string as 20√3 meters. So with this we have finished our exercise 10.4. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं। ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू।